welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Minata. If you are new, I welcome you to my page, and if you are returning, I thank you. Now today we're going to be doing something very easy, and I know most of my girls or fellas, you might need this too. It's a lip scrub. It is so easy, like essentially everything is closed, so you got, you know, I've been home research on how to do simple things, well, not simple things, just things in general, and then you just realize that these things are so easy you can do it yourself. I put on lip gloss to come on here, but I'm actually gonna need my lips after this. You know, you gotta make sure your lips are juicy as well. Just use it whenever you feel like you need to scrub your lip, or you feel like you just need to, you know, just clean it off, just make it look all pretty and juicy for your man, especially after this quarantine. Them lips gotta be juicy, not crusty. I'd like to see how I make my lip scrub. Just stay tuned. Is a knife, a spoon, you know, lime. You need olive oil or whatever oil you want to use, and sugar. You can use white sugar or brown sugar. I just happen to have brown sugar, so that's what I'm going to use. So you're basically going to make your desired amount, so just go ahead and mix all those things together. Now lime and olive oil have a good amount of antioxidants in it, which can help. The lime helps reduce darkness in your lips, and it keeps it from being chapped, and the olive oil is just for moisture in your lips. Remember earlier I was like, I don't know why I put on lip gloss, but I want to be cute a little bit. Now, so we're gonna wipe that off. I'm just gonna show you how it's going to look. Alright, so there goes the lips. It's a little crusty. And even if it gets in your mouth, it's sugary, just a little bit. That's gonna get in your mouth, but just keep getting those in there. Make sure you get the corners, because you can get blackheads in your lips too, especially those corners that we don't get. And just get your lips, the inside. It's gonna get a little messy, but who doesn't get messy with their mouth? That's why you need this right here. Bring it back to life. Doesn't feel like there's any other residue on my lip. Look at that. There goes some sugar. Wow. wow. And I've been, you know, doing this low skin thing, so you already know how the skin is right now. It's doing amazing. You know. Oh my god, my lip though. That works. And I could just feel the freshness of it. And then I just like to put Vaseline on my lip. I got the one with aloe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and also subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.